In the darkest times, the spirit of a nation shines brightest. For 3 years, the Filipino people endured unimaginable hardships under Japanese rule. Their culture suppressed, their freedom stolen. Yet their spirit remained unbroken.
We hid in the mountains for months. My mother would sing to us softly so we wouldn't cry and give away our location.
My father was taken by the soldiers. We never saw him again, but we learned that hope is stronger than fear.
These stories of survival became the foundation of resilience. Liberation came in 1945, and from the rubble, they began to rebuild. Independence was not just political, it was spiritual. Culture, once suppressed, flourished again, stronger and more vibrant than before. Each generation carried forward the lessons of the past. Today, the Philippines faces new challenges. Poverty affects millions, yet the spirit of Bayanihan endures. Natural disasters test their resolve, but community strength prevails. Filipinos work across the globe supporting families back home. Education remains the pathway to a better future.
We survived because we never forgot who we are. That is our gift to the next generation.
From the ashes of the past, we rise stronger. Today, a new generation of Filipinos leads with innovation and determination. Technology bridges the gap between tradition and progress. Social innovation addresses challenges with Filipino ingenuity. Grassroots movements protect the natural beauty of the archipelago. Community organizing strengthens democratic participation. Young voices carry forward the legacy of resilience. Art continues to tell the Filipino story, gaining recognition on the world stage. Innovation honors tradition while creating something new. The past shapes us, but it does not define our limits. We honor those who came before. By teaching the next generation to learn, remember, and grow, unity is our strength. Action is our responsibility. Every act of kindness builds a stronger nation. Share your voice, spread awareness, create change. The future belongs to those who dare to dream and work for change. Innovation continues the legacy of resilience. Sustainable progress honors both people and planet. From generation to generation, the spirit endures. The Philippines rises, resilient and proud. This is our story. This is our strength. What will your chapter add to this continuing story?